Saseni, karibuni sana kwa video yetu ya leo. Leo tutaendelea kusoma juu ya functions na tutaangazia function definition katika user defined function. Last video tulisoma juu ya function declaration in C program. Defining a function ni kuweka ama kufafanua ule mwili wa function, yani providing the actual body of the function. Kule kufafanua kunafanywa kwa function yenyewe. Katika main function, tulisema main function inakuanga predefined function, lakini zile statements ziko ndani ya main function zinakuanga user defined. Kwa hivyo main function ni user defined. The only thing that is a predefined function ni function name. Now, in the main function, all the statements are user defined. Yani sisi wenyewe ndio tunazitengeneza ama tunazifafanua. Kwa hivyo, all the statements that are created inside the main function are user defined function. Tutaangalia syntax ya function definition. Tunaanza na return type, then the function name, then the parameter list. This is the same as declaring a function. The only difference ni hakuna semicolon hapa mwisho. Alafu kuna ile body of the function. Lazima kukuwe na body of the function. That is the two different. We don't have a semicolon here and we have the body of the function. Kwa hivyo unaanza na return type, then the function name, then the parameter list, then you put the body of the function. The body of the function inakuanga katikati ya braces. So we have the opening brace and the closing brace. Ukumbuke hakuna semikoloni mwisho ama after the parameter list. Hapa hivi hakuna semikoloni. Tutaangalia example. Katika example, we start with int, which is a return type. Then multiply is the name of the function. Alafu tuko na two parameter, int a and int b. They are separated by a comma. So we have the parameter list here. Alafu we have the body of the function. Katika body of the function, tumeanza na declaring of the variable. So we have int results. So we have declared a variable of result. Then we want to calculate the result. So result is equals to a times b. So we have a times b. So these are the parameters that we have here, a and b. Then we want to return the result. So when we study calling a function, we will talk about how we are sending these results or we are calling the results. Make sure that you don't put a semicolon here after the parameter list. Asanteni sana kwa kunisikiza. Mkumbuke kulike hii video na msubscribe kwa hii channel.